guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I do got somewhere to go today and I do want to get cute. I don't know what I'm wearing though. I think I'm gonna keep this on, just put like a cover up or something over. I don't know. I ain't got makeup on this, do I? Think I do. Y'all know what? See, I wanted to wear this because I really like how this looks on my hair, but I'm gonna just have to cover it up or something. But I might wear my flannel, but I still want to look cute today. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna first moisturize my face and while we chat. So y'all, I watched the Friday Night SmackDown last night and oh my god. Okay, I love Roman. That's my favorite wrestler. I cannot believe him. I was so mad. I was like, okay, it was a lot going on in this segment. I kind of really wanted Jimmy to fight him, but I was like, it's too early. The storylines are very serious because I got the storyline. I know what's going on right now. Man, 100% they're going to cost him a Night of Champions, 100%. I had to watch that. I wanted to see it because I knew he was coming back. That's why I watched that segment. It has to happen, okay? It just has to happen. I'm a big fan of Roman, always been, but bro, you getting greedy, okay? Then when he looked at the new championship, I'm like, no, you gotta know. Tag teams, the world champion, the universal. Oh my God, no, that cannot happen. I refuse to let that happen. Obviously, I doubt they're not gonna let him win that. They're not gonna let him win the tag team championships at Night of Champions. Also, why is Night of Champions in Saudi Arabia? I hate that. Just not. I don't like any of their pay-per-views over there anyway. So I'm gonna do my brows a little bit. I'm just gonna lighten them up. We'll just fill them in a little bit. But yeah, why do they have them at Night of Champions? I don't know. I just don't get it. I know they got a deal, but I don't get it. Anyway, I'm done talking about that, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. There are times when I just don't feel like doing anything, and I swear, I don't know why I'm talking like I'm putting lipstick on. There's just times when I don't feel like doing anything like a day, but it's a Saturday and I really wanted to record, and I was in the mood. I was like, I'm having a good day already. I woke up at like 6:50 because of the dogs, but I was in a good mood. So I was like, let me make a video for these people and upload them. I'll be uploading a lot of videos, so there we go. I'm just keeping the natural shapes. I'm not like adding anything extra to them, y'all. Didn't want to add no extra art because I'm not trying to do too much today. I kind of want a neutral face. So actually, since I said that, I'm actually going to use my neutral eyeshadow palette today. One of the color finished my eyes, y'all. Just setting my eyes. And I went a little bit down because it was like a little too bald. I was like, come on, we can't be doing that. So I kind of wanted to use the rose or the nude. It depends on what I'm wearing now. You know what? I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go with the nude. Let me get my nude palette, y'all. Just because I can wear anything with it. So this is it, the nude palette from ColourPop. Is it Color or Color? It's ColourPop. I know. So this is the palette, y'all. I'm gonna I have my other loose brush because I did not clean that brush with all the black from yesterday. So I'm gonna go in with the mugged off because it's a brown color. It's like a tan brown. I'm gonna put that on my lid. So here I'm not talking about none, y'all. I was talking about the new Doja Cat look. And I don't know if I'm for it or against it. You know, she looked good now. At first, I thought it was weird. I don't know. I cannot shave my eyebrows off, okay? I can go light blonde eyebrows, but I just cannot shave them things off. She was bold. But I think she was going for that little rocker look because, you know, her name trying to change. And I'm like, girl, they don't even call you by your real name. But you know what? The brows from early 2000s, the thin ones, I like it. Her hair was starting. She looked good right now. But, you know, she's so weird. And I don't think I'm a fan no more. But I don't know. I was just talking about that, y'all, because I ain't talking about none. And now I'm just blending my eyeshadow out. I went nude because I was trying to just make this go. And my dog is getting on my nerves while I'm trying to voice over y'all. Oh my God, this is so hard. Now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner. Yeah, I got to give it some more eyeliner. This stuff is drying out. I do not got time for this. Oh my God, I really hate doing my eyeliner when my eyeliner dries up, y'all. It's not easy. I ended up having to do like a little black eyeshadow with it because this stuff was like so hard to get out. I really gotta like order some more because it's not easy. Y'all can see I was struggling because I really struggled with the next eye. It was just a whole mess. But you know what? I'm definitely gonna order some more because I do not let this drop ever again. So I finished my liner and this one messed up because this liner, oh my God, my hand. This liner dry is like so dry. I really gotta get some more, y'all. So let me finish this face. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Something else I wanted to talk about. Yeah, I started downloading Bad Bunny songs, and I can't understand nothing they saying, nothing he's singing up in there. But I was dancing like crazy up in the car. I be having road trips by myself, y'all, acting like I'm singing in Spanish. You know what? I might just like him. I didn't like him at first just because he was like, I was like, why is he in WWE doing stuff? But you know what? It's an entertainment show. He did not do bad at Backlash. I'm gonna say that, and I actually like his music. So now I think I actually like him. So now I'm doing my concealer, y'all, and I need to continue talking about what I was talking about with Bad Bunny. I don't know what it is. What I was in the video, I was talking about why I didn't like him at first. Maybe it's because he's associated with the Kardashians. I don't know. Everybody I like, I swear, ended up like associating with them, and it kind of pissed me off. I don't care about them that much at all. So I'm like, why does it get to me? But the fact that it does, okay? I didn't like him. Still, I like his music though. That's the thing. So maybe maybe I do hate the Kardashians. You know, it'd be like that. Sometimes you just hate seeing people with other people, even though you ain't never met them. I'm gonna set my face, y'all. It's amazing how amazing concealer makes you look right. It's actually amazing. It's my favorite product because it covers everything. And like I said, I use the Pro LA Girl concealer, so it's a full maximum coverage. Like, it covers everything. I like his music though. There's just one person in Hollywood I would love to meet. Well, out of the men, there would be like a top 5 people I would actually like to meet. I feel like I just jumped from pop stars to Hollywood. I'm actually tell you because it's like random conversations. The 5 people I would love to meet is Keanu Reeves, Denzel Washington, Idris Elba, Malone, what's his name? The one from 365. The one from 365. And there was somebody else. Who was it? Who was it? These are the men. Leonardo DiCaprio. That's it. That's all I want to meet. The only people I want to talk to. Who don't want to talk to Idris? That man is so handsome. Come on, Keanu. Come on, Denzel. Every last one of 365. I gotta talk to him. I really want to have a conversation with him. I'm so curious. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take the same brush. I couldn't even get it out, y'all. Let me use my brush. Who would y'all like to meet that's in Hollywood? Not singers. I'm talking about like actors. The women I would love to meet is Blake Lively, because I love her movies. Well, it's funny because I feel like I can't think of nobody off my head. I know a lot of people I would like to meet, but I just can't think of their names. The whole cast of The Help. Okay, how about that? Yeah, I guess I just can't think of them. That's weird. But the man was like on top of my head already. Okay, so we are at that stage. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'm going to see what I'm wearing today, and I will show you guys the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. So I hope you like it. It's very simple. I did my nude eyes. I set my face, did my mascara, did my lashes, lip gloss. I was gonna wear earrings, but I was like, kind of don't want to wear earrings. I feel like it looked good with no earrings with this top. It's this top I got from Pretty Little Things. It's like a tank top, but it's strapless because the gold chains broke, and I was really sad about it, y'all. But I really like how it looks. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go enjoy my day because it's 8 o'clock. I might go into the city. It's a really nice day today. You guys should get out too. So hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana, and I will see you guys on the next video. Doll yourself up today, y'all. You know what? Even if you ain't going nowhere, doll yourself up, take pictures, just go have fun. It's a good day. Bye.